Hello everyone, my name is Matt, also known as UKAstroNut. In this video I'm answering the question, what is an exoplanet? So you probably know what a planet is because you're actually stood on one right now, you're stood on planet Earth. And there are 8 planets in our solar system, so there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, not Pluto. Pluto used to be a planet, but it's not anymore, sad face. And all these planets go around the star at the centre of our solar system, our very own sun. So we know that our star has lots of planets around it, and when we look at the night sky, like the majority of those little bright spots of light that we see, the majority of those are actually stars as well. I mean, some are like planets and galaxies and things, but the majority of them are other stars. And we think that our sun, our star, and us down here, that we're really, really special. Oh, okay, we are kind of special. But in terms of having planets around stars, our sun is really just the same as everyone else. Like, the majority of other stars actually have planets around them, it seems. So our sun and our solar system isn't very special, isn't very unique. So around 1992, astronomers actually first looked at another star, and which they found a planet around it. So until before 1992, we didn't know that other stars had planets around them. We thought that maybe our star was just special. We'd never seen anything before. And then in 1992, we found another planet around another star, which was like, it's really a huge thing because, you know, we spent years like trying to send landers and things to other planets and other moons in our solar system, but we've just completely neglected the rest of the stars in the universe. And okay, they're a bit harder to get to, but still, I mean, we search for life on Mars and everything. We wonder whether life has existed in our solar system other than on Earth, but there's still like these like billions of planets out there that may well have life as well. So it's really, really interesting kind of thing, and it's kind of crazy to get your head around that you're brought up knowing about these 8 planets and then there's just thousands and billions of them. And up to now we found like 1,800 exoplanets, which is huge. I mean, in 1992 we discovered one, and it's been slowly going up since, but actually in the last few years we've had some special like telescopes and space missions. And these have been like NASA's Kepler space mission, which has gone up to try and find exoplanets. And there are loads of ones down the ground. There's things like WASP is one, which is a ground-based telescope. And they all use different techniques for trying to find them. Some of them try to observe how the stars get fainter. As a planet passes between the star and us looking at it, it blocks on the light, and we can see it get a bit fainter for a few seconds or a few minutes. And that's the discovery of exoplanet. Sometimes we can see the star wobble as the planet gravitationally pulls on the star, and it's making the star move itself. And we can see this tiny little movement, and we can say that if we see a star moving like this, then we think it's probably an exoplanet. And what's even crazier is that we have our solar system, and we think of all these like, you know, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are sort of quite close, and they're quite small and rocky kind of planets. And then further out we have the massive, massive gassy planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and stuff. And we think this is kind of what planets are like, what our solar system is like, and it's really boring. But actually, the other solar systems and other planets we've seen are crazy. They're like stars, and then like massive Jupiters that are like really, really close by. And these Jupiters are, you know, ridiculous temperatures, and these huge, huge planets that block out loads of the light when they go in between the star and us. And so they're really, really different. They're almost like alien worlds. And because the way that our telescopes are at the moment, it's really hard for us to detect planets that are kind of like Earth, but we're really getting close. Like 10 years ago we couldn't have got anywhere near just being able to see Earth-sized planets, but now actually we're really getting towards the limit of being able to see it. So hopefully in like, I don't know, 10-20 years we'll be able to find planets that are actually can host life, and they're kind of, you know, they're Earth-sized, they have liquid water on, they're not too hot, not too cold, you can go there for your holidays, it's completely fine. This is kind of what we're hoping to find, and also, by studying these planets, we can kind of learn how planets form and things like this by seeing all the different sized planets and how far away they are from the star and what their atmospheres and things like this are like. So exoplanets are a really interesting thing. They're really up and coming part of astrophysics, and we do lots of videos and try to explain more things about exoplanets. But you just need to know that exoplanets, that there are stars out there with other planets around them, and there are billions and billions of them. So don't get too drawn down in the planets in our solar system, because there's a billion more out there to study and find even more interesting things. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and click the little subscribe button. Tell your friends, do some comments, and I'll try and answer your questions. If you have any questions in exoplanets and stuff like this, I'll try and answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.